What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have a product from Zealot. They were kind enough to send me out one of their Bluetooth wireless speakers to check out, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So this is the S53. This is my first time ever having a product from Zealot, so I want to say thank you for sending me out your product. This is a wireless speaker, outdoor music. It has stereo connect, RGB lights, radio, and then it says sound. So this is what the speaker looks like on the front. And on this side, you get a little bit more information. So, you know, you can connect to your smartphone using Bluetooth. You can make telephone calls. This also has access to a TF card. So a SD card, I believe. You could put that in there and have music loaded up on your SD card and just play it straight from the speaker without having your phone connected. You get your USB. You get your mic. You get your stereo connect, wireless music, 3.5 millimeter audio cable, and I guess this can play the radio. And on this side, you get, it tells you your inputs and outputs, so you can pause that and read that for yourself. They sent me out the black one, but it comes in purple, red, you get camo blue, camo black, camo light blue, camo pink, and gray. Pretty much this is what the box looks like. Here is the QR code, so you can scan it and go straight to their website, but I will put a link to their website from Amazon to where you can go pick you up this S53 if you're interested. And I can already tell you this little Bluetooth speaker has a lot of weight to it, actually, because the box is kind of heavy. I thought this would look small. I thought this would look and feel smaller than it really is, but it's not too bulky. So I'm just going to unbox it real quick. So this is what the speaker looks like. It's nice, has a nice weight to it, but like I said, it's not too bulky, not too small, but not too bulky. Once again, there's that QR code, and I can activate for my warranty if I want to. I might do that. Here's some more information on the back about the warranty. Put that down right there for now. And then you get your instructions, but I always throw those over there because I will not be needing that. But it says Zealot. This is where you would get your RGB lights will come from this. It's a piece of tape on here, I believe. Try to peel that off. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna leave that on for now. But yes, this is where your RGB lights will come from. This is all of this mesh here is for sound. So this is IPX rating, so you can get this a little wet, not too much wet, but that's why it's called an outdoor speaker, because you can take this outside. And in a minute I'll go outside and show you how it sounds and if it's loud or not. Hopefully it gets pretty loud. Hopefully it has some nice bass to it. Overall, I do love the way it feels up here, or how you would turn the device on. So this would be your power button, volume up and down button, and I believe this would be, I have to figure out what this toggle is here. But the buttons feel nice. Back here is all your ports you would need to get this plugged up. USB type C, I believe. Your USB to USB, that's USB. Then there's a little slot that if you want to put a TF SD card in there, you can do that. I probably won't do that. I'll probably just use this connected to Bluetooth to my cell phone, and you also get a little strap for a lanyard if you're into that kind of thing. But like I said, I'll be right back. Hey, what's up? I'm back. So now I have my speaker turned on, and now I'm going to connect it to my device. My device of choice is the Moto Edge Plus 2022, and as you can see, it says Zealot S53. So all you want to do is click on that, and it says it's pairing. Once that is paired up, then I'll play some non-copyrighted music for you. Okay, so it's active, and my battery of the speaker is 90%. So now I'm just going to go head over to YouTube and play some non-copyrighted music for you. Walk away from the phone. As you can see, the range is not too great. As I'm walking away from the phone, it's cutting out, but once I go close back to the device, it's getting even better. So just kind of stay close to your device, to the phone with this speaker. I guess you could put your phone in your pocket and you should have no problems. But we're going to turn that down. I'm going to do another song. You just hold down on the volume button and it'll turn the volume down. I believe this is brightness of your LED lights, as you can see there. I mean, as not LED, as your RGB lights. It has little feet on it, so you can sit it down like this, but then that's not really good because you cannot see your you won't be able to see your lights, but you can also probably prop it up like that and you can still have access to your lights there. So now we're gonna just try something else. I'm just gonna try one of my own videos that I recorded here and see how loud, and see that show you that this device gets pretty loud. So YouTube channel, I'm just gonna find one of my videos real quick here. I'm just gonna turn it up some. First, Dragon and Motorola for picking me to send me out some of your products. This is what it will sound like if you are courtesy of Motorola playing a video on your device. You still get that nice RGB lights. And this is turn it down, you just hold it just like that, and you're good to go. But so far I am liking this Bluetooth wireless speaker from Zealot. I think I'm gonna have a good time with this speaker. It's nice, big, not too, like I said, it's not too heavy, but it does have a little weight to it, but not to where it's just unbearable. This is pretty much what it looks like. And like I said, those RGB lights are amazing. Just think about having this on in the dark. This will really look good. And this gets pretty loud, and this does have nice bass. As I showed you in the video, it does have nice bass, and this does have an IP rating, so you can probably waste a little water, or if it's raining, maybe you can use this in the rain. I wouldn't submerge this into water, but hey, this is nice. And I want to say thank you, Zealot, for sending this, your Zealot S53 out over to me to review. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.